Hi everyone, my name's Jade and I'm just going to do a review today about Lipsense. So if you don't know what Lipsense is, it is a US brand that's just come over into the UK. You can't buy it in shops or anything. It's a bit like Avon. You've got Facebook distributors that you buy the products from, and it is kiss proof, waterproof, indestructible lipstick. Basically you buy the kit which comes with the lipstick, comes with the gloss, and it comes with the remover to take it off. But their promise is, because that's a bit scary to me, that it's going to dry my lips out, and that's not what I want. But their promise is that it's moisturizing, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's all the goodness. So we're just going to try that one out today. I have got the colour Brick, so I'm going to apply that one, put the gloss on, and then I'm just going to take you around with me today. Obviously lockdown's a bit rubbish, so it's not going to be very exciting. We'll probably go to Tesco's and, I don't know, go for a coffee, but that is literally about it. But I'm just going to show you what it looks like with it on in the morning, and then I'm going to do another video later on at night and just give my review and see how, if it is really worth the money and if it is as indestructible as they say. So I'm just going to go and apply it now, and then I'll show you what the colour looks like after. Okay, so I'm back and I've applied the Lipsense. So this is what it looks like now. The gloss looks so lovely on top. It makes it look really luscious and nice. So basically the reason why I didn't film that one on camera is because with Lipsense you've got to do 3 thin layers, and between each layer you've got to make sure it's completely dry before putting the next one on. So I was there like fanning away, so it just looks a bit silly on camera. And then once you've done the 3 layers, you then put the moisturising gloss on top, and now this will just stay on all day. And I then need the special remover to take it off later at night. So I'm just going to see whether I like it and what my views are on it and if it's worth the money really. But now I've got this on, nothing comes off, just obviously the gloss that's on top, so it shouldn't budge. So we'll see. It looks real cute. I'm just basically sat here trying to get the motivation to go and do something in lockdown when there's literally nothing to do. But we move. We'll find something. So first port of call, I need to quickly nip to the shop and get some essentials. And it's tipping down with rain. And I've got my nice new fluffy coat on, and it's going to get wet and horrible, but I need it. The essentials. The only thing getting me through this lockdown.
So welcome to Starbucks, what can I get for you?
Hiya, could I get a medium cinnamon soya latte with an extra shot, please?
A medium cinnamon soy latte?
Yes, please.
Soy latte, cinnamon with an extra shot, of course, anything else?
And could I get a blueberry muffin as well?
And a blueberry muffin, of course. Is that everything?
Yeah, that's everything.
That's fine, I'll take care around.
Thank you. So I've got my Starbucks, got my cinnamon soya, oh my god, I've forgotten it now, extra shot latte, mouthful. So let's see if it goes all over the lid, shall we? Ah, that makes me happy. Clear. Yes, that's what we like. I can't put it back now. What nightmare. Delish. Lipstick looking luscious. It's really nice because it doesn't like crumble either. Like I find a lot of 24-hour or like 18-hour lipsticks or whatever, they always like go really crumbly and like horrible, and I'm always like smudging my lips because I just want to get it off, like it's not comfortable. But with this one, it literally feels like I have nothing on bar the gloss. So happy days. Just eat my muffin now. indestructible in this car. Oh, look at that. That looks sexy. Oh, it smells so good. Mmm. No lippy. Shouldn't eat it with my mouth full, but you know. Mmm. I've got it all over my lips. Tragic. Making stupid noises. Still nothing. Oh, happy days. Bar crumbs. It's looking good. Casually eating my muffin on the side of the road. It's so tragic now, isn't it? This is my fun. Going to Starbucks, driving through it, and eating a muffin in my car. That's it. That's life now. So I just picked up my little girl from school. Lipstick going strong. Say hello! Hi! Cheers! Watching Power with my chockies and my wine and my blanket. Perfect. Clean glass. Hi, so I'm just going to do like a little review now of what I thought about the lipstick and how well it lasted and stuff. So basically, I put this on at 11 o'clock this morning and it's now 7 o'clock at night and it looks like this. It's still, like I haven't even reapplied the gloss or anything. This is just how it looks. I got a little bit of like bleeding. It's not called bleeding, but it's like coming away or whatever. But I basically, when I applied it, I made sure I went really far in because I knew like some other like long lasting lipsticks this happens and you can see it when you're speaking. But when I'm speaking now, you can't see it. I know it's there, but no one else does. So I went to Starbucks. I ate a muffin. I've had like 5 cups of tea. I've had my dinner, which was spaghetti and meatballs. I've had my wine and I've had my chocky. I didn't drink all my wine, mind. If I drank all my wine and then went on here, I wouldn't be. Yeah. So, but the thing is, with this lip kit, it is £55. And I think that's quite a lot of money in my eyes. But if you want a lipstick that won't budge, it will literally last you all day. It's the best 24-hour lipstick I've ever used because it generally just still looks completely flawless. I haven't tried to remove it yet. I've got micellar water and I've got the remover that they give you. So I'm just going to see how easy that is to take away. It is long lasting because they literally give you a remover to take it off. So I think it's really nice, and you can't buy this in shops. There's distributors in the UK. So I got this from Nikki, and she's got a Facebook group called Magic Lippy Nikki. And because it is quite expensive, she does raffles every evening and it's £2 a ticket. And there's like 30 people. So if you buy like 2 tickets, that's £4. And then you've got a chance to win in a £55 lip kit. Or if you just wanted to buy the lipstick on its own, that's £25. But I recommend definitely getting the gloss because I think it would be very drying otherwise, because this is like a moisturising gloss. So it stops your lips from drying out. So yeah, I hope you like my little review and my little tour of my lockdown day. I might be doing another video for Carbon, I'm not sure yet, but yeah, it's been loads of fun. Like, I've enjoyed doing this, so yeah. Thank you, bye.